Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, and welcome to another Vlogmas video. Today I'm starting off the vlog. It is Saturday. I'm gonna probably do like Saturday and a little bit of tomorrow as well, just because I know today won't be super packed with things, but tomorrow I have like a couple things I need to do and show you guys. But anyways, I just got my Brandy Melville package that I mentioned to you guys in a couple of vlogs, that I ordered some joggers, and they finally came in, so I'm going to show you guys and unbox it, because I'm super excited about them, and they probably will match better with my ASOS hat, because I didn't wear my ASOS hat, the olive green one. I didn't wear it with my Thanksgiving outfit because it didn't really match. I feel like it could probably match better with these joggers. Alright, so open this up, get this package. So these are the joggers. I'm gonna like take them out so you can see them better in the lighting. Okay, so these are the joggers. I'm literally using my flashlight to just like put the light on, because it's like super weird, because they're really dark green. Like you can tell in person that they're green, but on camera it almost looks like it's black. But they're like a nice green. I'm actually gonna try them on for you guys so you can see, but I love them. They're different because I don't have anything like these where they don't have the drawstring, and I don't know, my camera's not focusing. But like I was saying, these don't have the drawstring, which my other Brandy Melville joggers, the ones that are the nice gray, have the drawstring. So I wanted something different, and they have pockets still, which is great. And then the bottom is just like this. The bottom and the top look exactly the same, but no drawstrings. So I'm gonna try them on for you guys. These are them, olive green, and they're super cute. And those are like, that's how like the bottom looks. These will look cute with like nice long little socks, like a nice little cozy fit with like a nice hoodie and like long socks and white sneakers. Okay, so right now I'm going to make some hot cocoa, perfect for Vlogmas and little festivities. So I'm gonna make some hot chocolate because my mom also had some leftover, like a whole bag of marshmallows left over from when she puts them on top of the sweet potato thing for Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna make some hot chocolate, and then me and my brother are gonna watch a Christmas movie, the first Christmas movie I'm watching to start off this holiday season. I'm super excited about it. I'll let you guys know what movie that is so you guys can go and watch it. I watched like a bunch of Christmas movies, so throughout this whole Vlogmas you're gonna see me watching a lot of movies. We actually need to get another, like the actual hot cocoa mix that we use, but right now we're gonna just use the, like, we have like a Nesquik like chocolate milk powder type of thing, but we're gonna like warm up the milk and make it hot cocoa, but we use this other like hot cocoa thing, but we have to buy some. Okay, so it turns out we do have the hot cocoa, he just didn't look good enough. So we use the Swiss Miss. We usually use the blue one that has like the little marshmallows inside, but this one will do for today. And there's actually like 4 packets left, so we're good to go. I'm gonna go make this right now with my almond milk, and then throw some of the other marshmallows on top anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Good morning guys, it is now Sunday. I know yesterday I like stopped vlogging, but it's just because I picked up a shift. I didn't really have much to vlog yesterday, but I wanted to start off the vlog just because like I had a package to open and I wanted to show you guys before I like put it away and stuff, before I forgot. But today's Sunday, so today I'm going to be doing a little like mini Sunday vlog within this vlog. Like a Sunday getting my life together, because I have a lot of stuff to do. A lot of stuff is upcoming. This is day 2 of Vlogmas, so yeah, I have a lot of things to do for school, finals week, just like getting my life together. Sunday is usually my day for that. Literally, I always have a nice Sunday routine to just get my stuff all in order. So that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you guys today. I just woke up. I woke up a little late for like what I usually like to, but that's okay. I'm gonna get up, start my laundry, so let's go and like get my laundry. I have to get like the laundry detergent and everything after I go to the bathroom and do my little bathroom routine.
Ryan Little.
After my laundry, I'm gonna make some of my good breakfast that I always make, which is scrambled eggs with cheese and then the little mini tater tot things, because they just bought a new pack of the tater tots. So I'm gonna go make that, and while I'm making that, I'm going to play some Christmas music because it is freaking time to play some Christmas music at home and watch Christmas movies. As you guys saw, I watched my favorite one yesterday. I don't know if I mentioned the name, but I popped it up. It's Santa Baby 2. It is like my favorite movie. I love it, so you guys should definitely go check it out. So when I'm playing Christmas music, either I have some on my Apple Music already, but if I don't feel like finding some, or if I don't have a lot, I just go to Pandora and I type in like either the All I Want for Christmas Is You radio, or just literally anything. Let me see what other ones I have, because I know I have like a bunch, and it just plays and it shuffles basically for you, so I don't really have to go in and if I don't like a song, you know. So yeah, I have like just a radio, city Christmas, holiday radio, traditional Christmas radio, literally anything they have it. So I'm just gonna play that one that I like. So let's make some breakfast. Alright guys, my breakfast is all ready, and I have some water here, and I'm gonna continue my Christmas music. I would play it out loud for you guys and jam out, but I don't want to get copyrighted. Now that I finished eating, I'm going to take my vitamins right now. So for the omegas, it says to take it with food, and like I literally just finished eating like 2 seconds ago, and to take 2 capsules. They're 2 like soft gels. And then for the daily cleanse one, it says you could take it with or without food, so it's perfect, so it doesn't really matter. Oops, a little too much. So yeah, here are my little vitamins, and then I'm gonna just use the rest of my water that I had from breakfast. Alright guys, I just finished taking my vitamins, and I'm still gonna keep you guys updated with those and how I like them, but I just love what they stand for and everything. And I do need a good, also this chair is squeaking that I'm sitting on, but I do need a good little detox. That's for my daily cleanse one, is like for detoxifying your body, and I can definitely use that, especially now I'm literally like in this vlog getting my life together, so I just, yeah, need to. I don't want to catch a cold. I've like been sneezing all morning, so I don't want any of that. And it also helps that I've been drinking my lemon ginger tea every night, which also helps with like, you know, fighting any colds, and just is really good for digestion, bloating, all of that stuff. I drink that right before bed. So right now I'm gonna make myself my coffee, since I just finished my breakfast and I basically just finished my water. So it's time to make my coffee in my little cute festive Christmas cup. Alright guys, I have my Let's Be Jolly mug, super festive and cute, perfect for Vlogmas. And you need a planner if you're trying to get your life together, so I'm going to make my little list right now. I need to go to December. This is where everything coming up is. It's super messy, but I'm going to be making my list actually. I think December 1st. Yep, it's right here. So this is my list. So for my interview strategies class, I have to double check my journals, because after each class we had to do the journals, as I mentioned plenty of times in my college day in my life vlogs. So we had to go and print them all out, and there were so many of them. It's literally so thick. I have it in my folder already, so I can show you guys. I have to go through them and just make sure the dates I have like on my calendar of when we met because some days he canceled class, so I need to make sure that every day that we were in class I have a journal for and the correct date. So this is just all of them. It is so much freaking paper. He doesn't do anything online at all, so I got that all printed. I just have to go in and double check the dates. For psych, I have to finish my study guide and make sure I'm like all up to date, except for like the stuff that he has to teach. We have one more chapter left, so obviously I can't finish it, but I just want to like double check I have everything up to date. Forensics, my lab is due tomorrow. I just have to print something out, but our printer is not working, so I have to probably do it in school, even though I don't really have time. I don't know, we'll figure something out. And then again, finish my study guide, but I really can't do that until she teaches tomorrow, so I'll do that more tomorrow. I have to print out my paper for my culture class, which is due Tuesday, and that's her last day of class for that class. Thank goodness. Honestly, this class just really dragged, and like she's just not really a good professor. And then speech, I don't have any class this week or the week after because of our reading day next, like the second Tuesday, so we just go in for our final day, which is December 17th for speech number 5. I just finished folding my laundry. I'm gonna go put them away now, and it actually is snowing. I tried to get some clips, but it was really, really cold out. So yeah, the first snow of the season. I'm currently just preparing for tomorrow, Cyber Monday. I think I'm gonna stop in Ulta to like smell some stuff. I might get something because they have this deal. But you guys will see that in tomorrow's vlog, so definitely stay tuned. I'm just kind of doing some browsing to be prepared. I just finished putting my laundry away and looking at like little sales. I'm super excited because some stores put like, oh, Cyber Monday deal is gonna start at like this time, a little bit earlier than just tomorrow morning or like whatever. So I was just browsing, but definitely stay tuned for tomorrow's VLOGMAS video where I do my Cyber Monday shopping. So I'm super excited about that. Because I need to get some gifts. It's not just going to be all for me, but yeah, it's going to be for gifts as well that I'm going to be getting. So definitely stay tuned. I'm just super happy with like that I'm doing Vlogmas and vlogging every day. I'm trying my best so far, even though it just started. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas video. Very productive, getting my life together and being super festive to start off the month. If you guys did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. Make sure you are subscribed and the post notifications are on because you do not want to miss any of my videos. And with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Like the birds and the bees, and we'll fill the sky with the songs and the trees, 'cause we're buzzing, buzzing.